Variation of acceleration due to gravity. The first is effect of altitude, means how does the acceleration due to gravity varies with height. Now let us consider this is earth of mass m and r is the radius, o is the center, and on the surface of earth the acceleration due to gravity is at g. Now let us consider at point B at a height h from the surface of earth the acceleration due to gravity is g dash. Now we know that small g is equal to gm by r square. We have just derived this relation in our previous video. So if this shows that if g is the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of earth, means if we keep a body at this surface of earth, then the distance between them is r. So accordingly the relation between small g and capital G is gm upon r square. Now if the body is taken to a height h, now the distance between the two bodies will be r plus h. So accordingly acceleration due to gravity g dash will be gm divided by r plus h whole square. Now dividing 2 by 1, let this is 1 and this is 2. Dividing 2 by 1, we will be having g dash by g is equal to gm by r plus h whole square into r square upon gm. So this will be cancelled out and we will be having r square, and from here we can take r square common, so that will be 1 plus h by r square. So taking that we can have 1 plus h by r raised to power minus 2, which is g dash by g. Now since h is very smaller than this distance r, so it can be ignored. So now expanding it by binomial, we can have g dash by g is equal to 1 minus 2h by r, or we can write this is the expression g dash is equal to g 1 minus 2h by r. This shows that acceleration due to gravity decreases with height, and in this case we can prove that decreases with height. We can prove that from this formula that when we goes to the high mountain areas, why we feel the lesser gravity, that is due to this expression. We can prove this. Also we can write this as g dash is equal to g minus, this is g minus 2, this is g minus 2h by r into g. So taking that side, this is 2h by r into g is equal to g minus g dash. So accordingly 2h by r is equal to g minus g dash by g, right? And if we multiply it by 100, then we can get the value of percentage decrease in the value of acceleration due to gravity. Now let us have discussion about the variation in acceleration due to gravity with the depth. Now let us consider the effect of depth. Here the object is, this is the surface of earth having the acceleration due to gravity g at this point, and let us consider at point B, which is at a depth d, the acceleration due to gravity is g dash. Okay, now we know that g is equal to gm by r square. Since now the body is inside the earth, so we will consider the factor effect of mass. So accordingly mass is given by volume into density, so 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho, where rho is the density. Okay, so in that case g can be find out, g, this is m is 4 by 3 pi r cube rho divided by r square. So this will cancel out. We will be having this is g 4 by 3 pi r and rho. Let me give number 1. Now to find out the effect of gravity at point B, we will be having expression g dash is equal to gm dash. M dash will vary because now the depth will change. So accordingly this will be r minus d whole square. Now m dash is again volume into density, so 4 by 3 pi. Now r will be replaced by r minus d whole cube into density, rho is same. So putting the value g dash is equal to g, this is 4 by 3 pi r minus d cube into rho upon r minus d square. So this will cancel out and we will be having the expression 4 by 3 g pi r minus d into rho. Number 2, now dividing 2 by 3, so that will be g dash by g is equal to 4 by 3 pi r minus d rho divided by 4 by 3 pi r and rho. So this will cancel out and we will be having r minus d by r, or this is 1 minus d by r. So clearly g dash is equal to g 1 minus d by r decreases with depth. So this shows that the acceleration due to gravity with height also decreases, with depth also decreases. And when d is equal to r, d is equal to r means at the center, this factor become 0, and d is equal to r means this factor becomes 1. Okay, this factor becomes this becomes r to r cancel, 1 minus 1 0, so g dash is equal to 0. It means acceleration due to gravity at the center of earth is 0. So this is the expression which showing the variation of acceleration due to gravity with the depth.